I thought I was just going fishing. I'd never been to Prince William Sound. I'd never spent much time on a boat. And I certainly wasn't setting off on a journey of epic proportions. Really, I thought I was just going fishing. Yet I found myself immersed in a world of unexpected teachers and unlikely poets, inquisitors, pushing the limits of my self-knowledge. In this place where life flourishes in deserts of ice, and nature wields her power with brutal indifference, I began questioning everything I knew to be true. The world I left behind held certainty. Here, the only contrast, I've spent 5 years here now, in the company of the locals. Theirs is a wisdom of survival, born on wings and fins and fur, in the whisper and screams of water, in the breath and bluster of air. To a man like me, accustomed to mastery, this place of natural mystery is humbling. I began this journey as an American businessman on a conquest, an expedition to test my skills against nature's. Guess who wins?